Now we are at the foot of Mount Maunganui. We're looking for a parking space. So thank God we have arrived here at the beach, and that's the mountain Maunganui. Mountain Maunganui. We're going there, up there, and my companion is Miss Dina, and my son-in-law, Xiao. Kaya gusto na ni Dina nga i-shut off na katahom sang beach. You're at Tauranga, or whatever the name of this place is. My daughter Joy Ann is telling me, stop talking so that you will not lose wind. It's okay. That's the mountain, Mount Maunganui. We're going to climb this within 1 hour, hopefully, God willing, together with my ex-girlfriend over there and our son-in-law, our guide. Thank you very much, Lord. Ari na kita at the foot of Mount Maunganui. 80 floors ang height niya na. Pero may ano man there's a trail, there are stairs going up. Thank God we're here. May the Lord bless our trip.
Kadyo ang last na di nga attack sa summit. Medyo steep na di pro drill at break. Pag ari dili ka sugod ang steep eh.
Okay.
Pro ang dire mo ning pinaka steep pro break lang ta. May mga uneven steps man. Ikaw mo na yung mga klase.
Time is it? It's 10:32 in the morning, New Zealand time. 10:32 in the morning. That is 5:32 in the morning, Philippine time. 5:32 in the morning, Philippine time. 10:32 in the morning, New Zealand time. We're going now. Askin, few seconds lang. Yes! Coming down.
Coming down. Ariyo, dahil lang kay ano ko ning video. Ana, selfie nga video.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Tulo na.
Okay naman.
Mm.
Yes.
Luwat.
Itong,
Libot.
Atong island. Atong island. And then, okay.
Okay.